Hello, everyone. Welcome back to WeeklyTools. Today, we have something exciting for all the car enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the world of automotive diagnostics with the ThinkCar OBD2 scanner, specifically the ThinkScan Plus S7. If you're passionate about cars and want to take control of your vehicle's health, this review is for you. Let's get started. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First things first, let's take a look at what comes in the box. The ThinkScan Plus S7 arrives in sleek packaging, and inside you'll find the OBD2 scanner itself, a user manual, and any additional accessories. The build quality is impressive, and it feels sturdy in hand. This OBD2 scanner is not just a code reader, it's a comprehensive diagnostic tool. It's equipped with advanced features like live data streaming, vehicle information retrieval, and it supports a wide range of OBD2 protocols. With the live data streaming feature, you can monitor real-time data from various sensors in your vehicle. This includes parameters such as engine RPM, coolant, temperature, fuel system status, and much more. It's like having your car's vital signs at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the features and functionality of the ThinkScan Plus S7. Full OBD2 functionality: read and clear DTCs, view live data, perform emissions tests, and more. System diagnostics covers all major vehicle systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, and more. 28 special functions: perform oil resets, TPMs resets, battery registration, and more. 5 customizable special functions: choose the 5 functions you need most from a selection of 28. Wide vehicle coverage: works with over 10,000 car models from the US, Europe, and Asia. Auto-auth for FCA CGW. No need for additional hardware or adapters to diagnose FCA vehicles. Android system: easy to use and navigate with a familiar interface. Touchscreen display: large and responsive for easy viewing. Bluetooth connectivity: wireless connection for convenient use. Free lifetime software updates: stay up to date with the latest diagnostic features and coverage. One of the things I love about the ThinkScan Plus S7 is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a car enthusiast, navigating through the menus is a breeze. The intuitive design makes it easy for anyone to perform diagnostics without the need for extensive training. Now, let's talk about compatibility and connectivity. The ThinkScan Plus S7 works with most OBD2 compliant vehicles, giving you the flexibility to use it with different makes and models. The device connects to your car's OBD2 port effortlessly, and the cable length is adequate for convenient use. When it comes to functionality and performance, the ThinkScan Plus S7 shines. It not only reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes but also provides detailed information about the issues detected. This empowers you to make informed decisions about your vehicle's maintenance and repairs. The ThinkScan Plus S7 offers numerous benefits, including save money, diagnose and fix problems yourself, avoiding expensive mechanic visits, peace of mind, stay informed about your car's health and avoid potential breakdowns. Empowerment: take control of your car's maintenance and repairs. Convenience: use the scanner at home, on the road, or anywhere you need it. Easy to use. No prior experience required. The scanner is intuitive and user-friendly. Here are some pros and cons about ThinkScan Plus S7. Pros: affordable, easy to use, wide range of features, free lifetime software updates, works with over 10,000 car models. Cons: not as comprehensive as some high-end scanners. In conclusion, the ThinkCar OBD2 scanner, ThinkScan Plus S7, is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to take control of their car's diagnostics. Its user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and reliable performance make it a valuable addition to any car enthusiast's toolkit. If you're serious about understanding your vehicle's health, the ThinkScan Plus S7 is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the ThinkScan Plus S7. If you have any questions or if you've used this OBD2 scanner yourself, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to WeeklyTools for more automotive content, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, drive safe and happy diagnosing.